Hello guys, my name is Harshit Garg and you're welcome to HarshitGargMrt YouTube channel. If you are visiting first time on my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. And this is the first video on my channel. And what is the topic of the today's video? Guys, today's video topic is how to download Windows 10, 8, 8.1 or 7. So let's start the video. So open your browser. And links for download Windows. Copy the link and paste to your browser or click on link. Paste your link and open your website. And site is open. You are download the Windows. You see Windows 7, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, all Windows is open. This is the Windows 7. This Windows size is 2.9 GB. And you are download this Windows. This is the very simple website to download the Windows. Simply Windows download easily on this website. So you are download this Windows and make a bootable. And I am show you in next video how to bootable Windows and installing in laptops or PCs. This Windows download to get this torrent file. Click on get this torrent file and download the window. And this is the Windows files: Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8. This is files download and downloaded on this website. And this is the Windows 8.1. And this is our keys for activate the Windows. This window activate automatically after installation. This is the setup, and you are making a bootable in a pen drive or DVD, CD. This is the Windows 10. You are downloading the Windows on this site. Thanks for watching. Next video is how to bootable Windows in the pen drive. Next video is how to bootable Windows in pen drives. And how to install Windows in laptop or PC. So guys, subscribe and press the bell icon now.